Hello viewers, my name is Christopher Okoli. I'm a student at 2019 MMMC Guardian School Batch 2. My mentor is Humble Smart. I'm here to make a presentation about MMMC, and I will be discussing on the ideology of MMMC, how MMMC works, the rules, and of course the benefits of MMMC. The ideology of MMMC centers on fighting the unfair financial system in the world. The founder of MMMC, Sergio Mavrodi, believes that people can help themselves instead of putting their money in the bank where they are not using it, when they are not making use of that money. So he believes that people can help each other, donate money individually to support each other. And that's where the idea of MMC comes in. The MMC, we said it is a peer-to-peer exchange of donation, in the sense that when I'm in need of money, some people who are members of MMC will donate money to me to carry out either a project or a particular task. When it's another person's turn, we also contribute for that person. Other people will also contribute for that person. How does it work? Like I said, MMMC is a community of people providing financial help to one another. For you to participate in MMMC, you have to register. Then you provide help. You pledge how much you will use to help another participant. There is no contract between who donates money and who receives money. Nobody is owing anybody. It's a free will donation. You don't pledge property. You use your spare money. The MMM, when you make this donation, after 1 month, you have a 30% or 50% Mavro as a reward for your donation. You must help somebody first before you can get this reward. Like I said, your contribution or your donation will be rewarded with Mavro, and this Mavro grows every day till the 30th day, when you are likely to make a request or need help, and other people will provide you help. There's no central account where everybody pay money in MMMC. Participants help each other. They pay money into one another's accounts. The MMMC is only here to regulate the process and nothing more. They don't have accounts where you pay money into MMMC. It's purely peer-to-peer donation. Rules of MMMC. Participants should donate only spare money. The spare money are money that has not been assigned or planned for any activity, for any project, any assignment. This is the money, the kind of money you donate in MMMC. participants must be honest so that when you pledge or you say you provide help, when you are called to provide that help, you should be able to make that donation. MMC is not an investment platform. Don't say you are coming and you want to go and invest in MMC. If you want to carry out an investment, go out there, start a business, invest your money. But in MMC, you donate to help people, and when it's your need, when you're also in need, people will not donate to help you. We don't in MMC, you don't register more than one account. You one person, one account, one individual, one account. If you register more than one account and it's fair and it's being detected, all the accounts will be blocked and you lose whatever you have donated. So it is a free will donation. Like we said, the committee members give each other money gratuitously without any treaties and promises. Therefore, the community members do not come to any legal relationship with each other. It is purely on a free will donation. The benefits of MMMC. At the end of the 30 days, your Mavro, you will get 30% of whatever you have donated or 50% of what you have donated per month. The 30% and 50% depends on the one you choose when you are providing help. Referral bonuses. This is also a benefit because when you register people in MMC, you have referral bonus. You get 10% of what the person you've registered is donating. Guiders bonus. As a guider, your downliners also have bonuses from whatever they are PHing or whatever they are donating. Verification Mavro is also a benefit because you can sell a verification Mavro and get money from it. And how do you get this verification Mavro? It is from your downline, the people you register. The 10% you are getting from their help, the help they are providing, half of it, 5%, will be converted to verification Mavro, and this verification Mavro is used during providing help. The first 10% is paid with this verification Mavro. Also, when you provide a video, when you get help and you give a testimony with a video, you will be rewarded. How do you sell your verification Mavro? You click on Mavro, select verification Mavro, then you put the person's email, the one he used to open his MMMC account. Then write the amount the person wants to buy from you. Then click send. That verification Mavro will automatically go to his MMC account, and he can now use it to provide help. And part of it he used to pay his 10% of whatever amount he's providing help with. At this juncture, I wish to invite all of you to come and join MMMC. Come and register so that we can help ourselves. Don't take your money to the bank. Bank will not help you. Bank will not give you interest. Bank will not give you loan. Bank will not do anything for you. They will just use your money to make business, use your money to make profit and enjoy themselves while you are here suffering. Bring your money to MMMC, help somebody so that when you are in need of any project or to do anything, people will also donate money for you. We welcome new members in MMC. Thank you and God bless. Bye.